Okay, so this is how you would mark and grade assignments online. If we go to view all submissions on this assignment and select the student that you would like to mark online. What this will do is it will put the documents that the student has submitted into a PDF format on your screen, and you'll be able to annotate it from there. So you can select a colour here, maybe put a little box in there so that you can add a comment. And you can do this throughout the document. So that when the student hovers over the little comment speech bubbles, they will see what comment you have provided. And if you want to change that comment or delete it, you can do a quick delete comment there and it will disappear. You can also use the freehand tool here to put on a freehand comment, or you can use the straight lines if you want to maybe put a little arrow there, or you can use the shape facility if you want to put a shape over any of it. So we'll just use a circle there. You can highlight bits of the text. You could choose the colour you would like to highlight there and highlight sections of text there. You can also use this stamp facility if you like. At the moment it's going to stamp across, but you could select maybe a tick or even a smiley face. And if you want to get rid of any of these shapes, if you click on that little arrow button there after the hand and then go to the shape, just click on that little dustbin if you want to get rid of anything that you've put on that you no longer want. So work through the assignment, adding your comments or shapes, ticks, crosses, whatever. On the right hand side here, you can then give the assignment a grade. And you can choose the workflow state. If we just click on that question mark, you'll see the options that you have. You have the option for marking completed. The marker has finished but might need to go back and check for corrections. Or in review, the marking is now with the teacher in charge for quality checking. Or ready for release, the teacher in charge is satisfied with the marking but wait before giving students access to the marking. It's usually a good idea to release all the grades and feedback in one go. So with the marking workflow set, you can do that once all the grades and marking have been done. So you might want to choose that ready for release or any of those options. You can also add some feedback comments here. And if you would like, you can add whole feedback files. You can just attach a file. You might want to deselect this notify students because you'll probably want to notify them all at the same time when you release the grades. Once you've finished marking, click on the Save Changes. And it says now the changes to the grade and feedback were saved, and then you can click on OK. And if we go back, I'll show you what this looks like. It's just on the screen. I'll just refresh the page. And you'll see that a PDF copy of the assignment has now been made with all of the annotations that I have just added to it, ready to be released back to the student. Simple as that, and the grade has also been added. Okay, thank you.